I'm gonna surprise you. You watch me. What you do?
You wouldn't say who struggle how to grow your account as a new creator. So person who create accounts where you three main types of videos I so create, content I so create. One year for growing purpose. Say would you grow account no? It is growing purpose on a bit video bit say how to create maybe how to create TikTok account, how to get views, how to go viral, how to monetize on TikTok, how to editing, how to crop a video. All these are type of growing channel. So person grow channel now. Purpose for growing now. This kind of videos na make me about videos na grow. Because nipa na obehwe no. Value na o dey man no na ono ope. Anya say oyo wadamfo ana say oyo unwienti na wo hwe. O add value to ne life. O man ono so ahwe process na ono so bitim dia amana accounts wanya more views wanya more likes followers bebre. Edina or heavy. And I was second one for community purpose. I don't know who build a community. No matter how a video and now be a way post to be a nipan barber. A bit is a lifestyle. A day in my life. A vlog. Yeah. Me sorry, yeah, then I may let's cook together. Let's do this. I don't know yet. And also yet another form of community. Onipa no, abepa wasem enti abeka community no. You obe ye bia enye fo. Oba be di wachi ahwe sa video no. Enti number 1 you grow for growth. And number 2 for community. Number 3 for brand purpose for sponsorship. We know that kind of videos no. Yeah. In a way say you benya sponsorship for free some sponsorship free companies be a ombetimi abeka a brand no hama yenye revenue without monetization. Enti ebi won ma ode video no phone ode ye camera ode ye tripod we use microphone na we use oba abeka ho asem okofa app bi a na video editing app bi a na abeka ho asem say app we papa subscribe when you are subscribe you say lifetime you say or the build brand sponsorship obetimi anya more sponsorship.
Hey, boy.
So know this as a content creator before we start your channel. Who say one build it for fun person channel no anya more followers, more views, more likes and two who say make creative for community ana me ye bia mba behwe. So who say no man no. Number 3 here for sponsorship and brand. And say who ni nyina say na me ye me pese me nya sika free other sources ana with so one monetize the kra na onya sponsorship ye do twa advert ye so who say no one be that's so what you have a high tech project man forgot this over subscribe and now be like share for which means you follow where TikTok, Facebook. Nina didn't yet tech project share my for so and some video. That's it.